Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today I'm going to show you how to make a margherita pizza that is easy and delicious. So let's get started. Combine a 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 3/4 cups of flour. Mix well and set aside. Add 1 package of yeast and 1 1/2 teaspoon of sugar to a 1/2 cup of very warm water. Let it rise for 3 to 5 minutes. While the yeast is rising, let's prepare our toppings for the pizza. Chop a 1/4 cup of basil and slice 1/2 a green pepper and 1 tomato. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Mix well and set aside. Optionally, if you like some heat in your pizza, prepare a 1/4 cup of sliced jalapeno peppers. Now let's start preparing the dough. I like to use a mixer fitted with a dough hook, but you can make the dough in a mixing bowl just as well. Add the yeast mixture to the mixer bowl and then add 2 tablespoons of oil and the prepared flour. Mix until a soft dough forms. Then remove to a floured surface and knead a few more times. Let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes. Roll the dough into a 9 by 11 inch rectangle and transfer to a prepared tray. I like to use the silly pad to line the pizza tray for an easy cleanup. Alternately, if you want to make a round pizza, you can also do that, and even better if you have a pizza stone. But in the absence of a pizza stone, this method works just as well. Once your pizza dough is on the tray, start by spreading the oil mixed with salt and garlic as the base. Continue with 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and the remaining toppings. Finally, add 1 cup of grated cheese and let it rise for 10 to 15 minutes. Bake the pizza in a 425-degree preheated oven on the bottom rack for 14 to 16 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and the sides are crisp. Remove from the oven and you have your pizza ready. Slice and enjoy. And there you have it. The best margherita pizza you can make at home. Wow, look at this pizza. It is looking so delicious and it smells amazing. And there you have it, our delicious margherita pizza that is light and crispy and tastes delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.